Jones.
تبارك الله عليك. So normally this is one gate of the Medina. This is one gate of the 7 we have. The Medina was founded in 1471, 1471 by the Moors. When I say the Moors or the Moorish, are the people who were forced to leave Andalusia after the fall of Granada, the last Muslim kingdom in Andalusia. So after the fall of Granada, the people they came here and they established a small community so it can remind them of their hometown, which was Granada. So this is a small copy of some Andalusian cities. Okay, even the building, even the way of life, even the lifestyle, even the late life we have. People they wake up here 11, 12, no problem. I just wake up. I mean like 45 minutes ago. So, and this is considered early time, okay? Oh. Yes. I left everybody sleeping at home. Yes. We'll discover, we'll take our time, we'll take pictures, and we'll have some interactions with the locals as well. So all what you see here,
I got the 55 on the 55, man. 100 miles on the 100 miles, man. We can fly, baby, we can fly, man. Homicide, homicide, man. 55 on the 55, man. 100 miles on the 100 miles, man. We can fly, baby, we can fly, man. Homicide.
and guys, here in Chefchaouen, by the way, it is not like one kind of blue color. It is different shades of blue because we are using a blue pigment and the limestone. Okay, so the limestone, if you keep it into a bowl of the water the whole night, then it will give us an organic waste painter. But the problem with this painter that it doesn't stick in on the wall.
Lost skills in my basement. Got a couple gold chains in my baseline.
It's your leg day, guys. Yeah, we say in Morocco every day is leg day. We walk a lot and we eat a lot. Yes, even everybody's very skinny in Morocco, but we eat a lot of food. Yes. And here we will see, like in every neighborhood, the first element we have is the fountain to drink water. This is a drinkable water and it's very cold. If you can touch it, it's coming from the mountain. Please feel free. It's okay. It's a cold water. We drink it. Yeah, I will just refill my bottle of water. It's cold. I mean, not with the fillers. Yeah, it's still cold.
Please don't stop.
Yes, that's good. It's your training day. After the end of the day, you will sleep very good.
Skills in my basement, got a couple gold chains in my baseline. That's what I'm saying, though, is what I'm on. Don't make sense if I don't make none. I got sway on my tongue, won't lift the chain if the back ain't done. Granddaddy James, where I got the game front. Da, show you what the flames on.
And by the way, whenever you see this, like a square-shaped door, it means it's a workshop or a business. When you see the round shape like this one, it means it's a home. So this is a home, this is a workshop, home, workshop. So, like in all Chefchaouen, if you want to do a workshop, you have to be like square. If you want to live, round.
Skills in my basement, got a couple gold chains in my base on. So I'm saying, though, is what I'm on. Don't make sense if I don't make none. I got sweat on my tongue, won't lift the chain if the back ain't done. Granddaddy James, where I got the game from. Da, show you what the flames on. See, I'm not doing 55 on the 55, and I'm not doing 100 miles on the 100 mile. I ain't dabbling in funny times, so let's get tight. Promise if you get right, baby, we can fly. Put you in a Mustang, baby, you can drive. Put you in the white range, you do what you like. Skin soaked and bathed, the coating's sublime. I just treat the first so it's nice. I just keep the sweat so the chance pay me. And when the face, so I keep dust near me. Scott's power, run it for the 2-tone chart. I've been keeping diamonds in my crutch lately. Where with the barrel skunk, ink laced on my tips when the barrel dumps. Keep a chamber filled with potent stuff, straight drop.
Is it the green part?
Please don't stop.
The part now is the green part.
Alright, so we're back from Chefchaouen. Y'all, that place was beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. That was a 5-hour ride from Casablanca to Chefchaouen, but it was worth it because you got to see all the mountains, all the scenery. Like, Morocco is really, really beautiful. Lots of steps, so you're definitely gonna get your cardio in, but we did 5 hours down there. We stayed for a few hours and then we drove all the way back for another 5 hours. So I'm super tired, but it was lit today.